Friends, I'm Ayazullah and this is my video of science experiments. So in this, I will show you how to blow off a candle by vinegar and baking soda. So friends, for this experiment we need a bottle, baking soda, vinegar and a candle. So first, take a bottle and I poured already in this vinegar. So now have to add baking soda. See. So friends, now we have to light our candle. See now friends. See friends, it blew it off. I'll show you again. See friends. So friends, in this I didn't pour the vinegar and baking soda mixture at this candle. Just I tilted this like this and the carbon dioxide which was present inside it came on the candle. So the candle blew off. So friends, for my second experiment, we need some filters, blue and red. You have to take some transparent paper and color with markers red and blue. So like this you will get. After that, we need a paper on which it's written anything with blue color and red color marker and pen. Like this. So first, I'll show you from the top. Friends, see now. I will keep the red filter on these words and you can see like, share and subscribe clearly. And now if I keep this blue filter, you can see to my channel. This is because when we keep this red filter, then it will absorb the red color. And if we keep this blue filter, it will absorb the blue color. And which color is left, that we can see. So like this we can see each filter's opposite color. Friends, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.